Imagine taking this entire application that is written in JavaScript, then transforming it into a different language. For example, if it's written in Python, you can transform it into JavaScript. How can you do that? It's very easy. With the new concept that is vibe coding, you can actually do this in minutes or in seconds. Now, I want us to take a GitHub repository. As you can see, this repository here, it contains Python files. When we open, you can clearly see these are Python files. Now, I want us to transform this code from Python into JavaScript. How can we do that? We can use bot.new, this new AI tool that can help us transform that repository. And this one is very magical. So what can we do? Imagine we can input or we can import this GitHub repository. I can just copy from the GitHub. I'm not copying the HTTP. I can just copy that. Then go and sign up to bot.new. Then just after this bot.new, I can just type / then the repository name. Then I can press enter. Then once I press enter, it's trying to import these Python files or this repository into this Bolt account. Now, as you can see, that was too fast. It has imported all the Python files inside that repository. Now, I want us to rewrite this Python code into JavaScript. How can you do that? A very simple prompt. Rewrite entire code base in or with JavaScript. Then I can just submit that prompt. Then I can just wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, it's transforming this, writing new files in JavaScript. It's running into error. You can continue writing. As you can see, very simple, as simple as that. In just a minute of seconds or in just a random time, now you have your code base written. Now, this is very cool. Now, imagine taking an entire application just like this. You can take any application, but you can take from the GitHub account. Make sure that it's public first of all. Then you can rewrite that entire application with a different language that fits you. And imagine from here, you can deploy, you can exit this, you can download the code, you can do integrations with Stripe, Supabase, very easy. With vibe coding, everything is possible. Now, to get more tips like this, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you're notified when the new release or when we are releasing new tips. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one.